Please clarify specifically, have you taken a cognitive
No,
test?
I haven't taken a test. Why the hell would I take a test? Come on, man. That's like saying before you got in this program, you take a test where you're taking cocaine or not. What do you think, huh?
I'll lead an effective strategy to mobilize true international effort to pressure.
I find this more embarrassing for the country than debilitating. I'm having a lot of meetings with world leaders on the telephone, everyone from the Holy Father to prime ministers across the globe. And so we're moving along. Ask a rhetorical question. Do you guys understand this? Does anybody understand? It's about saving lives, for real. This is not hyperbole. It's going to take time. It's going to take a heck of a lot of time.
Hey guys, did you know we have a podcast called WJ Live?
The Western Journal's mission is to equip readers with the truth, and that's the same mission we have on WJ Live.
You'll hear from writers, editors, and special guests on the most important topics of the day.
You can watch us every day at 5 p.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. Pacific on youtube.com/WJ Live.
While you're there, help us out by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss any future episodes. See you there.